So let's turn back to Oliver Sloup and get his thoughts on this. Not a lot going on in the live cattle market, but they do seem to be weak in the knees. In fact, the entire livestock complex just doesn't seem to have much traction today.
Yeah, a lot of weakness to start today's session, but since we started in the grain comment interview, we've rallied pretty darn good here in the cattle complex. We've got June live cattle trading over $2 off the low, and coming into this interview, I was going to talk about how disappointing they had been considering where the cash market is trading. You would think that June would work higher to narrow that gap between the cash market. They haven't been able to do that over the last week and a half, but maybe we're starting to fish for a little bit of a bottom down here near 131, 132, which has been pretty darn good support going back over the last 6 months or so. So I'm hopeful we can get a good close in today's session. To close above 132, I think might spark a little bit of momentum to the upside, especially if that cash market continues to stay firm.
Oliver, what was the position of the managed money funds, according to the Commitment of Traders report on Friday?
Well, the funds have been liquidating a lot of positions in the livestock complex, live cattle, feeder cattle, as well as the lean hog market. And obviously, the lean hog market has probably been the one that's caught the most attention as far as the downward slide that we've seen. We're down about 290 in today's session, testing that psychologically significant 100 level for the June contract. But I think we're getting close to a near-term bottom. We're pretty oversold, and I think the fundamentals still remain pretty firm for lean hogs, and I think there will be pretty good value down here. It's just a matter of getting that capitulation, that peak panic, where you have buyers ready, willing, and able to step in at these low prices.
Peak panic. Okay, well, that's a good key phrase for today. Thank you for talking with us, Oliver. Always a treat. Oliver Sloup of Blue Line Futures.